Samir Wankhede, who's the NCB officer who's been probing this case, is set to be examined tomorrow by a 5-member team of the NCB Vigilance Department. Alok has more.
Well, Aarti, this is an important development that is related to the allegations that were leveled against Samir Wankhede, who is the Mumbai NCB chief. And today he met here at the NCB headquarters in the national capital to the several officers, although it was a pre-scheduled meeting. But right now what we are learning, the Vigilance Department, which has set up a team of the 5-member team, which will be leading by Gyaneshwar Singh, who is the Chief Vigilance Officer. He will be heading to Mumbai tomorrow. And not only Wankhede, but Mr. Gosavi and Mr. Prabhakar, they will also be questioned by the vigilance team and other officials who were particularly related to this case. And that is a possibility. Shah Rukh Khan's manager, who was allegedly in touch with Gosavi's bodyguard. So these are the people, their statements will be recorded by the vigilance team, which will be heading to Mumbai tomorrow. So a lot of developments likely to happen tomorrow. Back to you.
Okay, Alok, just very briefly for the viewers who are just joining us, very briefly tell us what these allegations are against Samir Wankhede.
Well, Aarti, if you see Samir Wankhede, who was investigating the case which is related to Aryan Khan. Aryan Khan was arrested 20 days ago and he's in the custody. So the allegations are that one of the witnesses, 9 witnesses are there in this case when the recovery was happened from the cruise. One of the witnesses, which is a prominent witness number 1, he in fact 2-3 days ago came in front of the media and leveled allegation that there was extortion bid happened and 25 crores of extortion was in fact was demanded and was done by the NCB officials, and this is the allegations leveled on the NCB chief. But the matter was sorted out, and in fact first it came down to 18. The demand came out to 18 crores, then it came out to 8 crores. So this is what the deal is right now. But right now Samir Wankhede is under radar because of the agency has started the probe against him. Back to you.
An NCB official who finds himself in the eye of the storm set to be quizzed by his own colleagues tomorrow. Thank you so much, Alok, for that.